Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The design of a 2026 Corvette Motorhome offers an intriguing fusion of the long history of high-performance cars with the vast world of leisure vehicles. Although speculative at this time, the idea of such a vehicle raises questions about how the dynamic design language of Corvettes and the functionality of an RV chassis might be combined. When imagining its exterior, one may expect a design that faintly references the aerodynamic and streamlined lines of the Corvette C9 generation, but on a far greater scale. Signature Corvette stylistic elements, including the unique headlight arrangement and the sculpted hood, may be incorporated into the front fascia. These elements may be made of lightweight composite materials. The motorhome's body would probably put an emphasis on aerodynamic efficiency to lessen the difficulties that come with having a greater frontal area. It might have integrated parts and smooth, flowing lines to cut down on drag. This hypothetical vehicle's chassis would need to be strong and capable, designed to support the larger weight and size of a motorhome. It might use cutting-edge suspension systems to provide a smooth and manageable ride. It might be modeled after the Corvette's performance-focused chassis but adjusted for touring. In the context of a huge vehicle, the powertrain would probably consist of a powerful yet refined engine, perhaps a variation of Chevrolet's high-performance V8S, optimized for both power delivery and relative fuel efficiency. Presumably, the interior of the 2026 Corvette Motorhome would provide a posh and cutting-edge living area. Quality materials like exquisite leather, quality veneers, and elegant ambient lighting are all possible. It would be envisaged that advanced infotainment and connectivity systems would be incorporated, possibly emulating or surpassing those available in modern Corvettes. The layout would have to strike a compromise between the Corvette brand's athletic spirit and the practical needs of a motorhome, maybe incorporating creative space-saving ideas and a style that appeals to both comfort and performance. Such a vehicle would have a distinctive market positioning, probably attracting aficionados who value the heritage of the Corvette but long for the freedom and functionality of a camper. Because of its unique combination of performance heritage and recreational usage, it would be considered a niche item with the ability to attract a premium price point. It is important to stress, nevertheless, that a 2026 Corvette Motorhome is still but a hypothetical idea. Neither Chevrolet nor Corvette have formally said that they are working on such a vehicle. This description serves as an exercise in speculating about how these two different automotive categories might overlap. Significant technical and design work would be required to make such a vehicle a reality, striking a balance between the Corvette's renowned performance image and the functional requirements of a motorhome.